You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this phrase from Italian. This is, of course, famous for being the name of an opera by Giuseppe Verdi. If you want to learn more names from Italian and music, stay tuned. Il Trovatore. Il Trovatore. Il Trovatore is how it's pronounced in Italian, the Italian pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can just say Il Trovatore, not Il Trovatore or Il Trovatori. Il Trovatore from Italian, Il Trovatore. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.